Hey guys, it's CR1B here, and I'm going to do a tutorial once again. So the last one I did was how to install an SSD or a hard drive, and this one is going to be how to install RAM in a laptop. Now this will work for most laptops, but in some cases the RAM will be soldered and you won't be able to upgrade it, or you'll have to like disassemble it to the motherboard, or like take off the keyboard or something of that nature. But this is just going to be a tutorial on how to upgrade RAM if your laptop has just a backplate on it and you can just take it off and just upgrade the RAM and the hard drive. So I'm going to do it on a HP Envy, and as you can see, it has 8 gigabytes of RAM in it right now, and I'll open up the task manager. You can see 7.9 gigabytes of DDR3. Now the reason I'm upgrading it is not because it's not enough. 8 gigabytes is more than I need, but thing is, you can see 1333 megahertz. It's only running at 1333 because there's a 1600 megahertz and a 1333 megahertz, and 1333 is what the speed of the 1600 will downclock to. And I want it to all be at 1600, which will improve the integrated graphics performance a little bit. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So first thing you want to do is close all applications. Then go to start menu. Sign up. And shut down. I'm gonna wait for it to completely power off. So that power button needs to be gone. And we're good. So the first thing you want to do is close it. You want to unplug the power cable, unplug USB and Ethernet. And then I'm actually going to take these stands off right here. Yes, just using iPad things. iPad wall warts, because it improves the cooling performance, because I need to put thermal paste on this because it overheats also. But I just gotta move all those out, and then I'm gonna flip it over. As you can see, it's completely flipped over. And right here is this back plate. Oh, focus. Yeah, right there. You see that one back plate? That's all that you need to really remove, and that's the case with most laptops. From some older generations. The newer ones aren't really that upgradable because they're more thin and light, and this is a 17-inch one and it's like 8 pounds. But this is for like older generation. So the first thing you want to do is you want to remove your battery. Just gonna put that there. Then put it in. Unscrew. Yeah, there it is. This is one of those screws that, see it. It's one of those screws that it doesn't actually come out. It's like soldered it in. But all you can do now is just pop that out. As you can see, right there's the drive. And right here is the old memory. But I got this right here. This Corsair Vengeance. 16 gigabyte DDR3. So I'll show you how to do this. So first thing you want to do is press on both sides, then just pull out. So there's the first stick. This is the 1600 megahertz stick because it's Micron technology, and it's, where does it say? Yeah, PC3L12800S. That basically means it's 1300 megahertz. And this is 10700, and it's from Samsung, not Micron. So I just want to have RAM from the same manufacturer too. There. So yeah. Samsung PC3 10600S. Okay, it was 600. But I'm just gonna put those right there. Then pop out these new babies. Sorry. So see that. Take one of them. Actually turn it in the right direction. And just socket it in. There. Perfect. I'm gonna actually do it for the other one. And not drop it. So it breaks stuff, but I don't think it broke it. So okay, let's solder it in all the way. I think they are, but gonna plug AC power back into it and show the light. Posts. And it posts just fine. Yeah, it's acting like it did a restart. Let's see if it actually worked. Hold on. Okay, let's check Task Manager. Do Control Shift Escape. And it's detected. I think so. Oh, I didn't plug in the mouse, that's why. And perfect. So now it's 1600 megahertz and it's 16 gigabytes of DDR3. Cool. So that's just kind of a, oh god, it's kind of a short video to show you guys how to upgrade RAM in a laptop. That allows you to do it. I don't like the newer version of laptops that don't, because they just solder it onto the motherboard, and I just think that's not a smart way to go. Cause, like, what if RAM goes bad? Like, you're screwed. You would have to replace the whole motherboard, and in some cases you would have to replace the whole thing because sometimes the motherboard's hard to get at. But yeah, this is just a video showing you how to install RAM, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.